changing shorts and I found this cool meme called Step on a Crack and Break Your Mama's Back. Let's see if it's real or not. Boom! Let's go! Step on a crack. Yeah, now crack. Wait, let's try this. Step on a crack and break your mama's back. Holy!
Meanwhile.
My back. So you're gonna be grounded. Guys, I got hit so bad I broke a bone. Oh, don't hit me! Don't hit me! Guys, please help me. I need to take revenge.
A few hours later.
I'm back up. Mom, get back here! Get back!